Have you ever found yourself in a tight spot, needing quick cash to cover an unexpected expense? Maybe your car broke down, or you had to pay an urgent medical bill. In moments like these, traditional financial institutions can feel like they move at the speed of a snail. Enter Mogo, the app promising instant cash loans with minimal hassle. But does it really work as advertised? Let's dive in. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's be clear, financial apps are a dime a dozen these days. Some are legit, others, well, not so much. So, how do you separate the wheat from the chaff? That's where we come in. Our mission is to cut through the marketing jargon and give you the straight facts. So, does Mogo actually deliver on its promises? Well, let's start with the basics. Mogo positions itself as a financial wellness platform offering a range of services beyond loans. We're talking credit monitoring, identity theft protection, and even rewards for good financial behavior. Sounds good, right? But is it true? To find out, we've spent countless hours poring over user reviews, analyzing the app's features, and even applying for a loan ourselves. We've experienced the highs, the lows, and everything in between. And today, we're going to share it all with you. First off, let's talk about the loan application process. Mogo claims to offer instant approval and disbursement. Is this true? Well, in our experience, it's a bit more complicated. While the app interface is sleek and user-friendly, the actual approval process can vary depending on several factors. Things like your credit score, income, and employment history all play a role. We've heard stories of people getting approved instantly and receiving funds within minutes. But we've also heard from users who faced delays or were denied altogether. It's important to note that Mogo, like any lender, has to assess risk. So, don't be surprised if the process takes longer than advertised. Once you're approved, how much can you expect to borrow? Mogo offers loan amounts ranging from a few $100s to several thousand. But again, the amount you qualify for will depend on your financial profile. It's worth mentioning that interest rates can be on the higher side compared to traditional loans. So, while Mogo can be a lifesaver in a pinch, it's essential to borrow responsibly and create a repayment plan. Now, let's talk about the other features Mogo offers. The credit monitoring is a nice touch, and it can help you stay on top of your financial health. The identity theft protection is another valuable service, especially in today's digital age. And the rewards program, while not groundbreaking, is a decent incentive to use the app regularly. But here's the thing, while these features are helpful, they don't necessarily set Mogo apart from other financial apps on the market. There are plenty of competitors offering similar services, often at lower costs. So, it's essential to weigh your options and decide if Mogo is the right fit for you. One area where Mogo has received some criticism is customer service. Some users have reported long wait times and difficulty resolving issues. While our experience has been relatively positive, it's clear that there's room for improvement in this department. So, to sum it up, Mogo can be a useful tool for managing your finances and accessing quick cash when you need it. But it's not a magic solution. The approval process can be unpredictable, interest rates are higher than average, and customer service could be better. Ultimately, the decision to use Mogo comes down to your individual circumstances and financial goals. If you need quick cash and are willing to pay a premium for convenience, Mogo might be worth considering. But if you have time to shop around and compare rates, you might find better options. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.